Hello everybody, and welcome to another video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART SS29 in Bright Teal. So on the back here is your product code here. So you have the ART SS29 in Bright Teal. You got the barcode here as well, and the QR code here at the top will take you straight to our Trendi website, which that's the code you're going to search for to find this part. Also on the back here, you'll notice that we have the recycling symbol here. So this packaging here is completely recyclable. Okay, so let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, so this is the part that you're going to want to recycle. So go make yourself a cup of tea and go and recycle that. Okay, so here is our product. Give you a quick little 360 view here. As well, in the packaging, you'll be given instructions, which is here on the back here. So you just scan that QR code and it'll give you some tips on how to install the Trendi product. You got the phone number, so you can give us a call if you want that human interaction, the email, or the live chat messenger there. It also comes with a set of screws. So you're going to just put that into your pattress box after you're done installing. Okay, so let's take another look at our product here. Let's pop the plate off. So on the left here, you have your two-way light switch, and then on the right here, you have your intermediate. Okay, so let's just take a look at the back here, which these modules are completely interchangeable as well. So if you want to swap them out, you can. But here on the right is our 3 holes, which is our 2 gang. And then on the left is our 4 holes, which is our intermediate. So the main reason you'd want to get an intermediate over a 2-way is if you have more than 3 locations in your house that you want to control that light from. The 2-way will give you 2. And that's basically the difference between the two of them there. Okay. If you like that video, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure the bell notification is turned on. Like that video and comment what you'd like us to do next. Have a trendy day.